Well, I cleaned all the contacts and it's acting different, not right, but it seems to be the read out arm seems to be missing the pin altogether now. It just circles around till it gets to the home position or the rest position. So I'm gonna try to tell it to go to, I think, 144, which should be right in here somewhere, and see what happens. See, what it did is it fired the pin, but the readout arm was on this side of the home position, so when it got to the rest position, it just stopped. So I'm going to do it again. I'm going to tell it to go to like 174. So now it's going and it's looking for it, and it just goes right by it. Back down to the home position and stops. Or close to it.